everyone, my name is Azan.
And my name is Yusuf. Today we'll be making homemade Oreos. Let's see what ingredients we need for homemade Oreos.
We need 2 eggs,
1 cup of sugar,
and
2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of a half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of salt, an electric mixer, and a silver bowl. So this might get a little messy with the electric mixer, but at least we still can use a spoon or another electric mixer, which is over there. Okay.
crack the egg.
Now we're gonna add the flour into the sieve. We're gonna add the baking soda.
I'm mixing it.
Dough.
In the fridge.
And cover it up with cling wrap. After cutting like this, place it in the tray like this.
Wow.
Now that we are done with the cutting, we are going to put it in the oven. Let's set it up to 160 degrees or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now we have finished the buttercream, and then now we are putting it on the biscuit and put another biscuit on top, and then they are ready to eat.
Yay!
Mama!